I didn't grow up necessarily wanting to be an archaeologist. I did know I wanted to do science, I wanted it to be important to the world, and I wanted it to be outside. And so this checked all 3 boxes. My name is Gabi Gauthier. My major is Anthropology with a concentration in Archaeology. I started taking archaeology classes with Dr. McDonough, and that is when I first heard about the Conley Caves Field School. The Field School is a very necessary component of applying to jobs in the future. And so I applied to the Field School here and was accepted in. As humans, we're only a blimp in the entirety of time on Earth. Actually being able to see that at the cave in the dirt is quite incredible. The wow moment for me had to be when I was in the cave and I uncovered my first piece of debitage. And when I saw it for the first time, I was like, this is a real artifact, this is real. This was touched by somebody 12,000 years ago. And that's when it really clicked for me. I was like, yeah, this is what I want to do for a living. Pathway Oregon allowed me to take a bunch of different courses and discover what exactly I wanted to do, which led to me discovering anthropology. I feel like I got a really well-rounded education because of it.